Hey, what's up guys, and in this video we will be working up with our blog page. Okay, we will not be working up with the blog that shows all the post, but we will be working up with the inner post that we have. Like, let's suppose that if I just open up this post, you can see it says hello world, then how it's gonna be coming up here. So we're gonna be designing that. But first, let's go ahead and let's move on to the dashboard and let's open up the template. Okay, so we're gonna go to Elementor, and then we have to go to My Templates, and then we have to create a new template that's gonna be single for post. Okay, in the previous video we worked with a single page template. So let's go ahead and let's create it. First of all, you can see we've got that, like, it says select the type of template you want to work on. We definitely have to build our single post. That is why we have to select single from here. And then it's just going to tell us that what post we want to work on. So here we have to select, like, we want to work on post. In the previous video, we worked with the pages, but now we have to work on post. And here you can go ahead and you can just name it. Okay, so you can just write anything like single post templates. Okay, you can go ahead and you can hit create template, and your template will be created and you will be actually redirected to the Elementor builder, where you can go ahead and you can design the post for your single post. So you can just choose any of the pre-made if you want to. Okay, you can see they are so great. Okay, but I would never recommend you to actually go and use any pre-made post. Okay, I would always recommend you to just create your own. And if you actually want to do everything for the learning purposes, okay, what you can do, you can just open up a pre-made one in a new window. And then what you can do, you can design and copy the exact same style so that you do work on some styles, and then you do get to know more styles. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and let's get started. I'm just gonna hit cross. So I'm just gonna hit add new section, and you can see it's right here. And here what you can do, you can go ahead and you can add something. So I'm just gonna add this right now. Okay, and what I basically want is that I need a full section, and in that section I need the background image coming from the post. Okay, so let me just show it to you. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open up localhost. I'm just gonna open up my WordPress basically. Okay, and in here I'm just gonna be creating a post. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit new, and I'm gonna say I need to add a post. Okay, and here what we have to do, we have to add a new post, and the post is basically going to be, let's come up here, let's select the set featured image. Okay, and I'm just gonna select the file. So let's see which image we have got. So this is the one, Core i9. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit set featured image. Okay, so I'm just gonna say Core i9 is released. Okay, and so here you can write like Apple is shocked. Okay, so, or anything. So this is right here, and here you can add some Libsum content. So you can just go to Libsum, and you can go to feed/html to actually create some content. You can just get it. Okay, come up here, paste, and you can see we've got this right here. And now here I need to go to the categories, and I want to add a new category, and that is going to be technology. And I'm going to hit enter, and the category is going to be assigned, and it's actually created. And I can then go ahead and I can hit publish. That's all you have to do. So it says Core i9 is released, Apple is shocked. So this is right here. And now what you can do, you can just come up here and you can refresh this page up. So once you actually publish the post, okay, just come up here and just refresh this up. And now you can see this is right here. And now what you have to do, you have to go to the settings. Okay, and then come up here and just hit preview settings. And you can see this is right here. Just enter this Core i9. Okay, and it will get you this post that you have actually submitted. And then you can just select it and you can hit apply and preview. So this post is actually will now be previewed, whatever the editing you will make. Okay, let's see. First of all, what I need a post title. Okay, so I want to come up here and I want to drag this post title right here. And you can see it's right here. It's actually coming from the database. Okay, so it says Core i9 is released, Apple shocked. Okay, and then what you can do, you can go ahead and you can just get the post excerpt. So post excerpt would definitely be in 2 columns. And in this column, I want the post excerpt. Okay, and in this right here, oh sorry, I don't want the post excerpt. Basically I need the post content. So I'm just gonna hit delete, and I need to grab the post content, and this content is going to be right here. Okay, and then what we need basically the post comments as well. But let's come up here and let's just add first the sidebar. So I'm just gonna go down. Oh, let's come up here and let's search for sidebar. So this is right here. You can just drag it and you can drop it right here. And I can see we've got this post. We've got our sidebar. So now here we have to choose the sidebar. So I'm just going to choose that I need the sidebar, blog sidebar. And I'm just going to give, just align it to here. Perfect. And I can just go ahead and I can just hit publish. That's all for right now. Okay, and it's going to be applied to all the posts. Okay, so I'm just going to hit publish right now. And you can see if I just view this post right now, then you will see this is how it's going to be looking. Here we go. You can see it says Core i9 release, that Apple is shocked. And I go to the blog right now. And then you can see this is right here. We go down and you can see we've got this hello world. So if I just open this up, this hello world is also like this. Okay, so I go to blog and you can see we've got Core i9 is released, Apple shocked, and this is right here. So now this post is actually coming up here. Now what we have to do, we have to go ahead and we have to make sure that we create this as a header, and in the header there should be a featured image. Before that featured image there should be this title and it should look much better. So what you have to do, you have to hit edit section, okay? And you want to say that you need a height. So this is going to be a minimum height and you can see it's like here. You can just increase it. Okay, so minimum height is basically going to be 550 pixels. Okay, this is right here. And now what you have to do, you have to go to the style and you want to go to background type, and this background type image will be actually coming from the image that we have actually uploaded right here. If I just go to edit post, you can see we've got this featured image that we have uploaded. So we need to actually grab this image from the post. So how we can do that? We just have to go to the style, and then here you can see it says dynamic. Click here. And you can see it says post and it says featured image. Just select this and this image is right here coming. Okay, so now what you can do, you can go ahead and you can say that attachment to be fixed. Okay, and size to be cover. There we go. You can see it's right here. Okay, and you can also just choose it to be scroll. Okay, but I prefer to choose the fixed one. Okay, and so here this is. Now what you can do, you can apply color. So not color, but actually background overlay. So the background overlay is basically going to be classic. And it should be having a black. So here we go. Now you can see we've got this. And now what you can do, you can come up here and you can design this up. You can just align this to center. And now you can come up here and, you can go to style. And you can just change the typography to anything. So I'm just going to choose any easy telescope. Okay. And I need the size to be much more bigger. Along with the color. So I need the text color to be actually white. Okay. And that's all for right now. You can also make it capitalized if you want to. So you can go to typography and you can transform this up to just like uppercase. Okay, and you can see it's right here. But I'm just going to be choosing this one right here. And that's all. Cool. So now you can see it's right here and it's totally done. You can also come up here and you can get a divider. So it's going to be a divider. I'm just going to drag it and drop it right here. So this divider is right here. You can just change the color to actually white. Okay, and you can increase the weight. And you can decrease the width. You can align this to center. And there we go. So the gap should be a little bit. Okay, the width should be much more smaller. And it's perfect. So now you can see it's right here. It's totally ready. We have to just go to this section right here. We have to edit this section again. And we have to go to style. And we also want to go to background overlay, and we need to just keep it a bit more darker so that it is much visible. Here we go. You can see we've got this ready, and here we go, guys. So we've got this post done. Now what you have to do, you have to come up here and you have to just add below this thing, this guy right here. we have to go ahead and we have to add our comments. So you can just come up here and you can say that I would like to have the post comment. You can also just get the post info. Post info means like from whom is it published by or something like that. So you can just drag it and drop it right below here as well. Okay, so it's just like here. Okay, it's just like this. Tanzil, this and this, and everything is right here coming. You can also just choose the default one. So default is like this, but I'm just going to be choosing the inline one. Okay, and I want to go to style. I want to align this to right, and I want to go to the icons. So icon text, icon colors to be white, and the text colors to be white as well. So this is right here. Okay, same like this, what you can do, you can also just get the author box. So author box can be right here down below. So you can just drag it and drop it right here. And you can see we are having this author box here. Okay, but I'm not going to be choosing this author box. I'm just going to be getting the post comment, and I'm going to be just dragging it and dropping it right here. So post comments are right here as well, and anybody can just comment here. Anyway, you can see it's right here. It's totally done. You can go ahead and you can update it. And now you can see the post. So the post was looking very much ugly before. And now let's see how is it looking. So it's just looking amazing. Okay. Same like this. You can go ahead and you can comment. Ha 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 ha. Amazing. Okay. And you can hit post comment. And the comment is going to be posted. It's right here. Same like this, you can go ahead and you can create a new post. So that post will also be just like assigned to that. So you can just come up here and you can set a featured image. You can go to upload files. You can select the file then. And let's suppose that I choose set featured image. Okay. And here you can just write anything. Samsung says no to touchscreen. And here you can get some dummy content. And then you can just select the technology category from here and you can publish it. So this is our post. And let's see how is it looking. So I'm just going to hit view post. And here we go. You can see the featured image is coming. Plus this title is coming dynamically. Plus this author name. This everything is coming dynamically. And you've got this description. And we've got our comments as well along with the sidebar. So if you want anything else, you can definitely add it and your website will be done. So congratulations guys, you have actually built your own template. In the next video, I'm going to be telling you how you can go ahead and how you can work with these right here. So you can see this is right here. These are called the archive pages. Okay, so it's going to actually show that what you have, all the blog posts. You can see we've got a big blog post and everything right here. So we need to actually cater this. How we're going to do this, we will be discussing them in the next video. Okay, and then we'll also be working up with our e-commerce website. Okay, I'm just going to be installing a plugin and I'm going to be showing you how you can create products and how you can create the template for the product pages as well. Okay, so stay tuned guys and bye-bye.